angels. When Monjin was a little boy, his mother always told him about how angry his guardian angel became every time he did something bad. Monjin thought he really had one white guardian angel until the one came to him in a dream. In his dream, he saw two angels. One angel had white wings, other one had black wings. He noticed that every time he did something bad, black angel was happy. The white angel was sad. Whenever he did something wrong, the white angel would smile, but the black ones became angry. One day, Monjin got money from his mother's wallet without permission. When his mother found about it, he lied. The black angel became so happy, but the white one was very sad. White angel thought he should go away and leave the black ones with Monjin. Monjin cried. He did not like the white angel to leave. White angel Monjin was crying and shouting. When his mother woke him up, it was a very bad dream. From then on, Monjin never again did anything White Angel said. He wanted to make only the right things.